23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Keely Van Middendorp. Here's what's making headlines across the county. New visitor policies at healthcare facilities are now in effect across the state. According to recent public health orders issued by the state health department last week, all visitors at hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, and intermediate care facilities are now required to be fully vaccinated or show proof of a negative COVID-19 test at least 72 hours before visiting. Hospitals will be tasked with keeping track of everyone who comes through their doors. The order comes as California's COVID-19 positivity rate has been trending upwards in recent weeks, and the majority of the people testing positive for the virus are unvaccinated. Well, the Food and Drug Administration is expected to approve booster shots for immunocompromised people before the end of the week. The FDA has not officially commented on the approval, but if approved, this will end up being a third shot for the Pfizer and Moderna COVID-19 vaccines. This comes as health officials keep stressing the importance of getting vaccinated against COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports more than 98% of Americans live in areas that are considered to be high or substantial areas of risk for community transmission of the potentially deadly virus. And some sobering news from officials with Dignity Health as Kern County is reportedly following a national trend. There is a surge in COVID cases locally, and officials say this could just be the beginning.
What we're seeing now, definitely an increase in the surge in communities throughout the United States, is because of the Delta. And I do believe that we're actually going to see in the next 60 days some pretty high numbers, maybe that will rival what we saw in December and January. I hope I'm wrong, but it certainly looks like that's what's occurring.
And that was Terry Church, Chief Nursing Officer for Memorial Hospital. Church said the peak could be here by October. Right now, she says they're seeing an increase in younger patients, on average about 10 years younger than what they saw during the previous surge when COVID was found mostly in older adults. 355 new cases were reported Wednesday in Kern County. There were also 4 new COVID-related deaths attributed to the virus and 1 more confirmed case of the Delta variant.
And we've seen some clouds and even a couple of light showers developing through Kern County today, but as you can see, really haven't picked up much in the way of measurable rain. 1/100th of an inch at Jawbone Canyon, the only measurable amount we've seen. It's been pretty much just kind of a cloudy, gloomy day. Not much in the way of rain. Still fairly warm today. Going to be probably even warmer tomorrow. 104 your high temperature in Bakersfield with more sunshine. 102 at Jawbone and 100 your high temperature at Kernville. Taking a look at the extended forecast, definitely plenty of heat to talk about. 103 to 105 all the way through Sunday. Starting to see those temperatures trend the other direction as we head into next week. The potential for some double digits, which would be definitely a welcome sight. It's been a very hot and hazy last couple of weeks. Same story in our mountain communities. Little tiny chance for a couple of showers here and there, but in general just hot until next week.
And that's your latest news and weather update. For the latest update anytime, be sure to head to our website, turn23.com.